Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 快. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读。快 k u I, so u and I together first. Y, k y. 快 and first tone. 快 Very good. Now let's write it. 我们一起写。点点数，横折横撇点。快 means fast, quickly. I run quickly. 我跑得很快 very quickly, 非常快。Also, sometimes you will hear 快 plus a verb plus le. This one. We use this one to mean something about to happen. For example, Easter about to come. 复活节快来了。Okay, that's all. If you liked today's video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Mm-hmm.